Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our interior design series. Today, we have a special treat in store for you as we transform this charming log cabin living room into a cozy and inviting space using some classic components. Let's get started. As you can see, we have a wonderful canvas to work with, log walls, exposed wooden beams, and a beautiful stone fireplace. Our goal is to enhance these elements while creating a comfortable and stylish atmosphere. First up, let's install some stunning wooden flooring to complement the cabin's aesthetic. This will not only add warmth but also create a seamless flow. To brighten up the space, we're adding larger windows that will flood the room with natural light and offer breathtaking views of the outdoors. To make the most of our vertical space, we're adding a loft or mezzanine. This will provide an extra area for relaxation, reading, or even additional sleeping quarters. Now, let's make our stone fireplace even more inviting by adding a mantelpiece. This is the perfect spot to display cherished decor. To keep things organized and functional, we're incorporating built-in shelving for books and decorative items. We're also placing a cozy wooden bench near the entry for seating and storage. Lighting plays a crucial role in ambience. We're installing wall sconces to add a warm glow, and ceiling fans for comfort and air circulation. To tie everything together, we're placing area rugs on the wooden flooring. These rugs not only add texture but also define distinct areas within the room. Now, let's add the finishing touches with carefully selected decor and accessories. And there you have it, a transformed log cabin living room that embraces its natural beauty while offering modern comfort. We hope you've enjoyed this journey of interior design. Stay tuned for more inspiration in our upcoming episodes. Thanks for watching.